right, guys, we're going to be taking a look at 3.1 in our book, but before we get started clapping and counting, I wanted to introduce more time signatures. So, as you recall, a time signature gives us some information about our music. It gives us how many beats are in a measure and also what note value gets the beat. By that, I mean, so our top number is our number of beats in a measure, and our bottom number, note value that gets the beat. So if I substitute that top number with a 1, that'll be a quarter, right? It'll be 1/4, a quarter. So our quarter note will get a beat. If this bottom number is a 2, substitute that 4 with a 1 again, and our half note gets to the beat. So that bottom number is also important, but we won't get into that bottom number changing for quite some time. So the important thing right now is to keep a look at that top number because it will change as we go through our music. So that's 4/4 time. Now we're going to start with 3/4 time. So there's a type of dance that is in 3. And that dance is called a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A lot of different dances are in 3. Some of you might have come across that in your music before too. If you're high schooler looking at these videos, you've probably played a piece or danced in a meter of 3. Anyway, all right. So the waltz is a type of dance that's in 3. My conducting for 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4 will look like that. And then for 3/4 time, my conducting is going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now I'm not going to dance a waltz in front of you because I haven't danced in a long time, and we're not going there. I don't want to. I don't want to be that funny in front of you guys. All right, so 2/4 time. That's only going to have 2 beats per measure, so it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now for 3.1, we're in 3, and we're going to clap and count that first. All right, here we go. You can clap and count along too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that rest is on 3 in that last measure. Okay, we don't have a repeat sign. We don't need to worry about key signature right now for 3.1. We're only clapping that. Okay, now when we get into 3.2, we're going to use that same rhythm that we just learned in 3.1 and apply that to different notes. So when you take a look at 3.2, when you're ready there, when you lock that rhythm in, after you're good with that, it's the same rhythm in 3.2, just on different notes. And we don't have a repeat sign in 3.2, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, that's it for now for 3.1, and then just go ahead and apply that to 3.2, and I'll probably post another video on 3.2 so you guys hear what it sounds like too. All right, thanks guys.